In this video, I'm going to walk you through the absolute easiest way to get Roblox completely functional on your Nintendo Switch. Just a quick heads up, this exact procedure is also successful on the newer Nintendo Switch 2 model. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to be using the original console. If you've searched through the Nintendo eShop, you've probably realized that Roblox is simply not there. That's because it hasn't had an official release on the Switch yet. But don't worry, there is a very clever yet totally straightforward workaround that you can put into action right now. So, you're probably wondering, how did I pull this off? The very first step you need to take is to go into the system settings on your console. From there, head over and navigate to the internet settings. Here, you should see the Wi-Fi connection you're currently using. Select it and then choose Change Settings. Scroll down this menu just a little bit until you find the option for DNS settings. By default, it's set to automatic. We need to flip that switch to manual. Now, this is the crucial part. For your primary DNS, you are going to input a very specific sequence of numbers. I'm going to display the exact number right on your screen, and I'll also drop it in the description below, just in case you want to copy it easily. Important note, this custom DNS address reroutes your connection through a third-party server, which is what grants you access to the web browser. Once you've got that number typed in, click on Save and then attempt to connect to the network. You'll notice that the connection will immediately fail and you'll be left with a prompt. If you hit Next here, it's going to take you directly into the Switch's internal web browser. And just like that, you now have access to Google. Simply type the word Roblox and click on the official Roblox website link. It will bring you straight to the login screen. As soon as you successfully log in, you will see that you now have full access to Roblox right there on your Nintendo Switch. The reason this method is effective is because Roblox is essentially a web-based application. Since we successfully found a way to access a working web browser on the Switch, we were able to get Roblox up and running. Of course, it does come with a few limitations since it's operating within a basic browser, but honestly, it is absolutely better than nothing. I truly hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you all in the next one.